Did you know that dolphins call each other by name? Or that a sloth moves so slowly it can grow algae on its fur? Animals are full of secrets, some so fascinating you won't believe they're true. In this video, we're diving into the hidden world of animal mysteries, where each fact is stranger than the last. So get ready, because by the end of this video, you'll see animals like never before. 1. Dolphins. Dolphins have an incredible way of communicating. They use unique names or signature sounds to call each other. Each dolphin has its own specific whistle that acts as an identifier. Scientists have discovered that dolphins remember each other's whistles for years, similar to how humans remember names. This means that if two dolphins are separated for years, they can still recognize each other through their unique calls when they meet again. 2. Octopus. Octopuses have 3 hearts. One heart pumps blood to their organs, while the other 2 send blood to the gills. When they swim, 2 of the hearts actually stop beating, which is why octopuses prefer crawling along the sea floor rather than swimming. They're also escape artists. Octopuses have been known to break out of aquariums and sneak into neighboring tanks to hunt for food. 3. Elephants. Elephants are the only mammals that can't jump. Their legs are structured to support their massive weight, which limits their movement to walking and running only. They're also highly emotional creatures. Elephants mourn their dead, and when a member of the herd dies, they perform a sort of funeral ritual, even revisiting the bones later on. An elephant's memory is legendary too. They can remember routes to water sources and safe paths for decades. 4. Pigeons. Pigeons are surprisingly good at recognizing human faces, and they don't forget who's been kind or unkind to them. They've been used historically to deliver messages because they have an incredible homing ability, meaning they can find their way back home from very far distances. Pigeons can also follow complex routes, which makes them one of nature's best natural navigators. 5. Crows. Crows are known for their intelligence. They can use tools and solve complex problems. In some studies, crows have even been observed making tools from leaves or twigs to get insects out of tree bark. They also hold grudges against people or animals who harm them, and have been known to teach other crows to recognize specific human faces as threats. 6. Sloths. Sloths move so slowly that algae grow on their fur, which provides them with natural camouflage. They only come down from trees once a week to use the bathroom and are vulnerable to predators during this time. Despite their slow movements, sloths are excellent swimmers and can hold their breath for up to 40 minutes underwater. 7. Cats. A cat's nose print is as unique as a human fingerprint. No 2 cats have the same nose pattern. Cats don't have a sweet tooth, unlike most animals. They lack taste receptors for sweetness, which explains why they usually avoid sugary foods. They can also make around 100 different sounds, and each cat has a unique set of vocalizations to communicate with its human. 8. Owls. Owls' eyes are fixed in place, meaning they can't move them up, down, or side to side. Instead, they turn their heads up to 270 degrees to see in different directions. Their flight is almost silent, thanks to specialized feathers that muffle the sound, which helps them hunt without being detected by prey. Many owls have asymmetrical ears to locate the exact direction of sounds, making them excellent hunters. 9. Giraffes. Giraffes have incredibly high blood pressure to pump blood up their long necks to their brains. Their tongues are about 18 to 20 inches long and are dark-colored to protect against sunburn. Giraffes sleep very little, only around 5 to 30 minutes at a time, often while standing to avoid predators. 10. Penguins. Penguins are loyal to one partner for life, and they recognize their mate by a unique call, which helps them find each other in large colonies. When they find a pebble they like, they present it to their chosen partner as a gift to start building a nest. Some species of penguins can dive up to 1,500 feet and hold their breath for 20 minutes, showcasing impressive endurance.